Ah, yes, I waited for a year to fix the issue. Like, nobody has done that before. So my OEM non-Nismo plastic Undertray has been deteriorating every single time that I drive it, thinking that, am I scraping or are my tires rubbing into the fender? No, it's just my Undertray. Plus, I hate this flap every single time I do an oil change. It's just so annoying. Anyways, let's install this bad boy so I can button up my front bumper because I have a car meet tomorrow to attend to, okay? Good thing about this is you don't have to remove the front bumper, just jack up the car. Since I never bothered putting back the rest of the 10mm bolts that connects the Undertray and the front bumper, I'm skipping that part. Now we have to remove the rest of the 10mm bolts, and you should have 14 of them. Remove the 3 plastic clips across the aluminum support. This Z1 Aluminum Undershroud has 2 different configurations, non-Nismo and Nismo version, and as well as 2 different finishes, polished aluminum and anodized black for an additional $35 USD. Since I did the front bumper conversion from base to V2 Nismo, I'm installing the V2 Nismo version Undershroud. Garbage? Not garbage. As usual, they give you more than enough hardware for this installation, and they also supplied a riv nut tool if you don't have one yet. This is panel A, front, panel B, mid, panel C, rear. You'll need to bore or drill out the 3 holes from the aluminum support where you pulled out those 3 plastic clips. I don't have a 10mm drill bit nor Z1 supplied it, so I picked the biggest bit I have and bored it manually. Be careful not to drill too much. Install the riv nuts with the supplied riv nut tool. I need to invest in some wrenches because I only had a vice grip pliers and an appropriate sized Allen bit for my ratchet to use the riv nut tool. Now loosely install the panel A with the supplied 10mm bolts. Slide in the panel B above the panel A to fasten it both. For panel C, slide the teeth of the panel to the slots of panel B. And there are 2 longer 10mm bolts for the panel C to hold it in place. Sandwich panel C with the bolt and nylon spacer and a push lock washer. Then tighten everything and you're done. That install took me, 3 hours? For some odd reason, I didn't know how to use that riv nut tool. And at some point in the middle of the installation, I was like, is this the Nismo one or the non-Nismo Undertray? Turns out it's the Nismo one. If you found this video really helpful, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.